Fix 1. Ensure voicemail is set up. Step 1. Open the phone app and tap voicemail at the bottom right, then select Setup Now. Step 2. Create a voicemail password. Step 3. Choose your greeting, either default or custom. If you select custom, you can record a new greeting. Fix 2. Check if call forwarding is enabled. Step 1. Go to Settings, Phone Call Forwarding. Step 2. If call forwarding is enabled, turn it off. Fix 3. Restart the phone app. Step 1. Swipe up on the screen to open the app switcher. Step 2. Find the phone app and swipe it up to close it. Step 3. Reopen the phone app and check if voicemail is working properly. Fix 4. Turn cellular service off or on. Step 1. Go to Settings, Cellular. Turn off cellular data and wait for 10 seconds. Step 2. Turn cellular data back on and check if the voicemail is working. Fix 5. Reset network settings. Step 1. Open Settings, General Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset network settings. Step 2. Enter your password and confirm the action. Step 3. Once the reset is complete, reconnect to the cellular network and try the voicemail function again. Fix 6. Enable Wi-Fi calling. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap on Phone and select Wi-Fi calling. Step 3. Toggle Wi-Fi calling on. Fix 7. Clear voicemail. If you're not receiving voicemail on your iPhone, it's likely because your voicemail inbox is full. You can delete old voicemails or back them up to your computer to free up space for new messages. Fix 8. Check for carrier settings update. Step 1. Navigate to Settings, General, About. Scroll down and tap on Carrier. Step 2. If an update is available, you'll see the option to install it. Fix 9. Restart the iPhone. If voicemail is unavailable on your iPhone, you can also try restarting it to resolve the issue. Fix 10. Use iOS system recovery. If all the regular methods fail to resolve the voicemail not working on iPhone issue, you can try iOS system recovery. Step 1. Download the app to your computer by clicking the download button. Once the app is open, select iOS system recovery. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the PC using a USB cable and tap Trust to confirm the connection. If it's your first time connecting the iPhone to the computer, next click Start to begin the process. Step 3. Then, verify the iOS model and other details on the interface, and click Repair to download the latest firmware. The tool will then begin fixing the issue. Fix 11. Contact your carrier. If you've tried troubleshooting on your own and the issue persists, it's time to contact your phone carrier. They can guide you through your options and hopefully resolve the problem.